Hello y'all, this is Dave from Da Bomb Smokes. Today we're going to do burnt ends with chuck roast. Stay tuned. Alright, I have a chuck roast here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little bit of mustard as a binder. Spread that on there. And I'm using this Jack Daniel's chicken rub. Now I know it says chicken rub, but it's actually pretty good on beef. Alright y'all, I have about a 3-pound chuck roast here. Now the reason it's called poor man's burnt ends is because it's chuck roast. And then chuck roast tends to be a little cheaper cut of meat, but it's still good. So now we'll see you out at the Weber Smoky Mountain. Well, it is a beautiful Thursday out here, folks. It's hard to believe there's a hurricane heading in toward the North Carolina coast. So I figured today would be the best day to do this smoking because I don't know what it's going to be like Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. My coals are heating up, so we'll be back. Beautiful chuck roast going on there, and we're gonna stick this probe in there, and we'll check on that in about a couple hours. We're looking at a temperature of about 165, so we'll see you in a couple hours. All right, y'all. We got it up to about 162. I think it stalled out on me a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it. Put a little bit of cranberry juice in there. And I've got some parchment paper on it. I like to wrap it in parchment paper and aluminum foil. We'll go put this thing back on the smoker till it gets up to about 200, and then we'll take it off and cut it up. All right, y'all. I've got this off. Ooh, and it looks so good. Yeah, we reached the temperature of 200 degrees. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this up and put it in the pan. All this cut up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce on there. I've got some brown sugar, light brown sugar in here, and I'm just going to kind of drizzle some of that over the top. All right, there we have it. Now that that's done, we'll put her back out on the Weber Smoky Mountain uncovered for about another hour, and she'll be done. All right, folks. Here we are. We've got these burnt ends. I've taken them off the smoker. My pan's a little bit big. We're gonna give them a little taste test. Oh my goodness. Those are really good. That's awesome. Got me a little Evan Williams going on here. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. And if you want to comment, please feel free. Scroll all the way down to the comments. Leave a comment if you like. And remember, folks, don't take this day for granted, because when it's gone, it's gone. Cheers, y'all.